Have you ever wondered how people quickly and easily get two or more windows on their screen at the same time? Well, this is a command called snap, and it's actually a really useful option. I'm going to open up File Explorer. Used to be called Windows Explorer, but it's File Explorer now. And you can see that this is now just a standard window in the middle of my screen. Option number one, I can double click and I can maximize that so it takes up the whole screen. So that was just a double click on the title bar where you've got the program name, and don't forget all of these options are available for all of your programs through Windows. It doesn't matter. Right, if I double click again, it takes it back down to a window, which in this case is pretty much what I want to do. I've got a choice of halves and I've also got a choice of quarters. So let me create another window. There are just two versions now of my File Explorer. What I'm going to do is, again, in the same place, that's the title bar at the top, I'm simply going to click and drag, and you can see it moves it. I'm going to keep clicking and dragging. In this case I'm moving it to the left, and hopefully you can see that there is a sort of shadow around half of my screen. If I let go, that particular window is now there and it's taking up half of my screen. I've got a list of all of my other programs that are running that I can now choose what's going to go in the other half. Let me choose my second Explorer window, and now I've got the two windows side by side. But that's not everything. We can also make it quarters. So if I click and drag again, and this is a little bit trickier through the mouse, there you go, I'm kind of top left corner, but you can see that again it's now in a quarter of that window, and I can let go, and because I've already got my half in place, it's giving me the other options. So let me choose another program, and I can now see that program, that window on my half. I can do exactly the same with my other screen, again sort of the top right, and you can see that that now appears, but let's actually give it a go. Bottom, so just about see that's kind of the bottom right, and again it will show me and allow me to pick, so I can still put things there. If I want to move it up, I can do that, but it's a quick and useful way to get things in place on your screen. Generally speaking, I do prefer the half and half, and if you've got more than one screen, so if you've got two or more screens, you can, depending on how it's set up, actually get this going across the multiple screens as well. To go back to normal, all I need to do is to click my maximize button, or remember I've got a double click to make it a standard option, and then a second double click which takes it back into my full screen. So hi, I'm Michelle. I'm a tech trainer helping you with quick shortcuts and tips and tricks around your everyday programs to work in a smarter way. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you get messages when I've posted up new videos.